Billionaire habits that will change your life. Hi everyone, I'm Joe, and what if I told you that the difference between where you are now and where you want to be comes down to your daily habits? The world's richest and most successful people, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, aren't just lucky. They follow specific habits that set them apart. In this video, we're breaking down the billionaire habits that can completely transform your life. If you want to build wealth, success, and unstoppable motivation, watch this till the end. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. Let's dive in. Did you know Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading? Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Why? Because knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more you earn. Actionable tip. Start by reading 30 minutes a day. Books on self-improvement, finance, and business. Some billionaire favorites? Learn daily. Billionaires don't hit snooze. Studies show that 90% of successful CEOs wake up before 6 a.m. Why? Because the early hours are distraction-free and give you a head start on the day. Actionable tip. Set your alarm 30 minutes earlier each day. Use that time for exercise, journaling, or planning your goals. Remember, win the morning, win the day. Early risers win. Billionaires don't waste time on small, meaningless tasks. They focus on high-impact activities, the 20% of actions that drive 80% of results. Actionable tip. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize your tasks. Avoid distractions like social media scrolling and instead, focus on income-generating activities. Question for you. What's the one big task you should be focusing on today? Comment below. Ever heard the phrase, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with"? Billionaires surround themselves with winners, mentors, and visionaries, people who challenge them, inspire them, and push them forward. Actionable tip. Join mastermind groups, attend networking events, and connect with high achievers. If you're surrounded by people who complain and make excuses, it's time to upgrade your circle. Billionaires don't wait for the perfect moment, they take action now. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in his garage. Elon Musk built Tesla while being billions in debt. They didn't have all the answers, but they started anyway. Actionable tip. Stop overthinking and start executing. Progress beats perfection. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is now. Question for you. What's one thing you've been delaying? Let us know in the comments. Now you know the billionaire habits that can change your life. The question is, will you apply them? Which habit are you going to start today? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more success tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Share this with someone who needs this motivation. Stay focused, stay hungry, keep growing. Until next time.